welcome to the channel. Behind me I bought one of the cheapest Zero S's that I could ever find. It's a 2018 model Zero S with the 13. So we're here with my bike today. Oh shoot, sorry. We're here with my used bike. I got it from a GoAZ sport place. So been riding this for a couple months now, and of course we got to do maintenance on the bike, right? Because anytime you buy a used bike, you gotta do maintenance. So we're going to be here and we're gonna check and change the oil here for in a bit. Okay. Oh man, that looks so great. Let's get some tools. Always make sure you have a ratchet to take care of the bolt that's in there, so we can loosen it up so we can empty the oil. Here we go. Oh, almost forgot the plug. Okay, and last bit here. Oh, look at that oil. Oh, a little splatter. It's not too bad. Check it out. All right, that should be good. Okay, now let's close it up. All right, let's all tighten up. Oh, wow. All right, let's take a look at this. Take a look at this oil. Nice and dark. This is why you always got to change your oil. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. It's electric. There is no oil. Just a can.